Welcome to Stegback. This guide will assist you in adding vendors through your seller dashboard. Start by logging into your Stegback Seller dashboard. First, we need to enable the vendor module to add vendors. Begin by clicking Settings, then select Company Settings. Scroll down and click Enable Vendor Module. Once the vendor module is enabled, click Submit. Return to the home page, and the vendors will now be visible. Navigate to the Vendors tab and select All Vendors. Continue by clicking on Add Vendor to start inputting your vendor's details. You will need to provide the vendor's name, company, email, and phone number, and select their country. Additionally, input a default shipping price and ensure that both confirmation boxes are checked. It's crucial to include the vendor's email along with our support email to facilitate easy tracking of all orders. You also have the option to add the website link and a company description. Remember to upload the vendor logo. After entering all the necessary information, click Submit. Congratulations, your vendor is now live.